Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB23 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this initialization for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or if it keeps disconnecting, or any kind of issues like that where it's not working, can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history will be wiped and deleted off of it, and all of the factory defaults will be restored. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get this back to the way it was coming out of the box, you can set it up new. We can do this really easily. All we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure it's powered on, or it will not work if it's not powered on. And then we're just going to come in and we're going to find the volume down buttons and then the Bluetooth button and press the two of them simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. Now when the reset is complete, the speaker will power off and you can release both buttons. Then you can just come in and turn the speaker on and set it up as a new speaker.